and welcome. So, a number of parents have been asking how to work out missing number questions if it's a subtraction question. So, for example, it could be a question like this. You may have a question with larger numbers, but the same strategy works and applies for that, as well as these smaller numbers. So, first thing I would suggest is using any sort of resource that you have at home to create the question, build the question. So I'm going to use stars. So here I have 10 blue stars. As long as they're all the same size, it doesn't really matter what you use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the number I'm starting with. So I've got 10 stars. I want to take away something, which will leave me with 8 stars. So I know that here are my 8 stars. And I've got to take away 2 of the 10 stars to leave me with 8 stars. So that would be my first suggestion, is to actually make the sum. Secondly, you could try and draw what's happening in the sum. We use something called bar models at school, which you can see closely links to the thing that we've just made with the stars. So if you draw one big bar which has your biggest number, so the 10, and then underneath you draw a second bar with the second bit of information you've been given, which is 8. So the bar is shorter than the bar of 10. I'm now trying to find out what I've taken away from the top bar to give me the answer of 8. So again, this space here must be 2, my 2 stars that I had before. And then finally, if your child understands how to make the sum and draw the sum, you could then write it as a number sentence. So it's always the biggest number you've been given, subtract the total, gives you your answer. So in this case, the question mark must be 2. Hope that helps, and if you need any more help with any other maths problems, do let me know through email.